We all need food at some point in our life. One of the most profitable business to start is food manufacturing. There are over 8 billion people on earth right now and none of them can survive without food. Starting a food business is easy, and as the population density in our country is high, you will always find a market for your product. You can make a lot of money if you can find a profitable food production. So here are 10 best food manufacturing business ideas to get started with. Number 10. Banana wafer making. Basically, chips are the ready-to-eat popular food item. Like the potato chips, the demand for good quality banana chips is increasing, especially in urban areas. The most interesting thing is the project requires a very small amount of capital investment. Also, you need a small space for the unit operation. You need to find out what are the established brands and competitors, check their packaging styles, quantity and prices. These details will help you in taking the necessary decision in establishing your unit. Number 9. Honey processing. Honey processing is actually removing wax and other foreign unwanted particles from honey. You can establish the processing unit in two ways, either by manual system or by electrically driven. The production process is simple. Additionally, you can initiate the business on a small scale and home-based base. Number 8. Cashew nut processing. Small-scale cashew nut processing can be initiated at any location considering the availability of raw material. Dried and fried cashew nut possesses a pleasant taste and flavor. They are mostly eaten fried and are sometimes salted or sugared. The processing of cashew is done manually and is highly labor-intensive process. The cashew processing business is considered highly unorganized and a bit scattered. Hence, if carried properly, the business can promise good profits. Number 7. Condensed milk product. Sweetened condensed milk has a good market opportunity both in domestic and export sector. Here, the only main raw material is good quality milk. Condensed milk production is one of the most profitable food processing businesses any individual can initiate with substantial capital investment. Number 6. Coconut oil manufacturing. Coconut oil is used as an important cooking medium. Apart from this, coconut oil has various industrial applications. It is used in the manufacture of toilet soaps, laundry soaps, surface active agents and detergents, hair tonics, hair oils, cosmetics, etc. It is also used commercially. It is also used as a lubricant for machines. Therefore, the demand for coconut oil is higher, so it is worth starting the coconut oil business. Number 5. Coconut milk powder production. Coconut milk powder has good market potential all over countries. Actually, coconut milk powder has the advantage of long shelf life, fewer storage places required, and also low cost of bulk packaging. Coconut milk powder is one of the most trending food processing business opportunities for new entrepreneurs. The major materials required are coconut nuts. Additionally, you have to procure the packaging consumables for your coconut powder manufacturing business. Number 4. Bread production. Quality bread provides fibers and carbohydrates in a convenient, low-fat form that is portable and delicious. Good bread never goes out of style. The bread production industry has several diversified opportunities. Fresh quality bread is always in demand for both urban and suburban areas. Bread manufacturing projects can be initiated on small scale and do not require major licensing. In modern days, bread is now becoming one of the most essential food items in human diet due to its ready-made availability and high nutritive value. It is the most consumable wheat-based bakery product. Number 3. Ice cream making. Ice creams have marvelous popularity as a dessert. The consumption is increasing over years. It is the best treatment and popular among all age groups. It is a great experience to taste ice cream in the summer season. The demand for ice cream is high in the market. Therefore, starting an ice cream making business is a good opportunity for one who wants to start a food manufacturing business with low investment. Number 2. Biscuit making. If you love baking and have keen interest in food processing sector, then this one is best business for you. Also, it is financially lucrative venture. The biscuit market is very promising and expecting higher growth in the near future. Broadly, there are 3 different types of business models that you can start. Beginners, one can start home-based with very little investment. The second one is a small-scale biscuit manufacturing unit aiming to sell primarily in the local market, and another is a medium-scale unit that sells biscuit through a wide distribution network. Both the models have their own pros and cons. Number 1. Chocolate making. The production process of chocolate may vary according to different qualities of chocolate. Also, according to the availability of raw material, you can decide the taste and ingredients for chocolate production. Chocolate making is one of the most profitable food processing businesses. With so many different types of chocolate varieties being created, there is a high chance of profit and growth in this industry, irrespective of the business being well established or a startup. So these are some of the best profitable food manufacturing business ideas that gives you a good income. If you guys found this video useful, then like, share and subscribe to our channel to get notified for further videos, and thanks for watching.